Okay, so we know that a circle has the equation x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals the radius squared. And hk are the x coordinate for the center and the y coordinate for the center. So they told us it has the center 0, 1, so we're going to write in x minus 0 is just x, right? So squared plus y minus 1 squared has to equal the radius squared, and the radius is 5, so 25. So this gives us this. Let's see, let's draw this. So it's 0, 1, there's the center. It's got a radius of 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I think I'm going to be able to rough it in like this, something like this. Then we get this line. We get this line, and I want to draw it in red. So y equals x plus 1. So that has a y-intercept of 1 and a slope of 1. So this line looks something like this. And we're trying to find the x and the y for that intersection point. So how do we do that? Well, what we're going to do is we've got two equations. And I mean, you can certainly throw it in Desmos, but for this kind of question, I think this is worth doing by hand. So I'm going to replace the y with x plus 1. So I've got x squared plus x plus 1 minus 1, the minus 1's coming from there, squared equals 25. So x squared, and now plus 1 minus 1 canceled out, so x squared is x squared, x squared is x squared, right, equals 25. And then we add those two like terms together, so we get 2x squared is equal 25. I'll divide by 2, x squared equals 12.5, and then we'll take the square root. And then what we got to remember, if we take a square root, we got a positive answer and a negative answer. But because this is in quadrant 1, all we need to worry about is the positive answer. So the square root of 12.5 is, I don't know, where's my calculator here? I should pause this video instead of letting it run. Let's see, grab another one. So I'm going to do 12.5 square root of that. I'm getting x equals 3.54. I'm going to go with it's 3.53555. But and then to find the y coordinate, you already know what x is, so I'm going to just do 3.54 plus 1. That'll tell me y. So I'm just replacing it in there, and that's 4.54. And that's what my open math is looking for. I mean, they might want a few more decimal places, but that's how you solve these kind of questions, okay? Hopefully this helps.